Hello friends, our new cue card is describe a water sport you would like to try in the future. You should say what it is, where you will do it, whether is it easy or difficult and why. Now we will discuss all the points one by one. Please watch the video till the end as in between the video I will give you some other cue cards that can have a similar idea. It will be easier for you to prepare for speaking module. Our first point is what it is. Despite the fact that I live in a plain area where there is no sea or ocean around, I have a keen interest to try my hands at water sports as it will be a thrilling experience. Although there are a plethora of sports such as scuba diving, river rafting, skiing, and undersea walking, I would love to do swimming. Here I have started a sentence with despite, which is always a good idea to use in your speaking module. It is followed by a complex sentence where I have used a word although. So I must say complex sentences should be there in your speaking module in order to show your grammatical range and accuracy. Other impressive words that are used are keen interest and try my hands at and a plethora of. So instead of saying many or several, you should say there are a plethora of sports which will have a good impression on the examiner. Our second point is where you will do it. Fortunately, a new recreational park has been inaugurated in the outskirts of my city, where the facility of a swimming pool has also been provided. Though it is housed in the suburban area, it is easily accessible for all the citizens via private as well as public transport. This swimming pool is equipped with all the ultra modern amenities. Students can say in the center of the city, but it is very common to use. That is why I said it is inaugurated in the outskirts of my city. Has also been provided is a passive sentence which will show your grammatical range again. Amenities means facilities. So the other similar cue card is describe an expensive activity. So you can say I want to do swimming or I do swimming which is expensive. You can justify your point why it is expensive by saying that swimming needs many equipments such as swimming caps, swimming suit and so on. And also you need to take the membership of a swimming pool which will cost you a dear. That is why it can be an expensive activity. So you can give the same answer for this cue card. Our next point is whether is it easy or difficult. As far as I am concerned, it will not be a cup of tea for everyone to learn swimming due to many reasons. It requires a lot of practice and stamina. However, if a professional trainer is there to assist, then it can become easier to learn how to swim with their techniques. As far as I am concerned means I think or I believe. If you find difficult to use this, you can say I think. A cup of tea is an idiom which means easy. I have written that it is not a cup of tea means it is not an easy thing to learn swimming. So in the next point, I will let you know another cue card with a similar answer. Our last point is why you want to try it or why you want to learn it. The predominant reason why I have a keen desire to try swimming is that it is advantageous for the health. It is a great form of exercise which tends to improve our immunity against chronic diseases. Also, in an emergency, I can rescue other people from the clutches of death. Owing to all these reasons, I am into learning swimming. Predominant means the major reason. A keen desire means a strong ambition. Then I made a sentence that it is advantageous, but you can say it is beneficial. The other word is chronic disease. Here you can say life threatening diseases. Instead of saying I can save people from the clutches of death, you can say I can rescue people from drowning. I am into means I am interested in, but remember not to use this in your writing module. It is only for speaking module. So now I will let you know the other cue card with similar answer. The cue card is describe an ambition that you have for a long time. So it can be your ambition to learn swimming. You can say I want to learn swimming and I have this ambition for a very long time. So this is all about our cue card. If you like the video, please like and comment and also subscribe for more IELTS videos.